So today we will understand about the call history page, ki what the features the call history page had. So we'll understand that thing. Okay. So this is the call history page, and here you'll see a lot of call has been happened, and also the whole the call, just like the manual call that I had did, and also the agent call has been happened, the agent web call and the agent telephony call. All the history will get appeared here. Okay, so this is the just like very agnostic page, and just like you can also filter the call history by the agent name, by the channel, by the call type, by the caller numbers, and also this is the sort method we had. Via this we can also I can also export the calls in the CSVs. Okay, so here if you'll see, one of the guy in our team had built the agent Panwala order agent, so that's why it's get this type of name appeared here. So if you see, a lot of call is happened. So if I want to see the recording of the call, so I'll just click on any call. So okay, so this is the call has been happened. Someone had used our landing page agent, and this is the telephony call. So by this number, this call has been happened. So if you'll see, this is the model that we are using here. Okay, and for the LLM we are using this particular model. For the STT we are using this, and for the TTS that we are using this. And in this there is no call memory has been utilized. And I'll also show you the AI insight call history, how the AI insights has been will be reflect here. Sorry. And this is the cost breakdown. Total 3 minute 3 second call happened. And if you see, this is the LLM, how much LLM has been getting charged for the LLM, and for the STT, and for the TTS, and for the telephony, and for the platform fee. Okay, and if you see, this is the whole the breakdown you can see from here for the each and every call. Okay, and this is the response quality, कि where latency what times has been gone. कि just like for the STT, there is a 800 million. This is the very high for this particular call, and I don't know, we need to see. And for the LLM has been taken this particular of response timing, and for the TTS 435 millisecond. The overall, the agent is responding within 1.2 second. And these are the conversation that happened. And if you see, this is the user's conversation, and this is the recording that we had. And one more thing, we had the debug timeline. I'll also show you ki how the debug timeline will reflect. So for this we need to enable the debugging in the agent. So if you are testing any agent, so you can enable the debug tracing, and whenever you will enable, so after that whatever the call will happen, you can track and you can debug the agent ki where the problem is happening. I'll also show you one of the agent where I had enabled debugging, and see how it looks like. Okay, so let's move on that particular agent. Just will move here. And also if you see, these are the manual calls that happen, and for the manual call I can also play the uh, recording key what the conversation has been made by the manually. Okay, so these are the manual agent call. This is also agent call. This is the agent. I had remembered that isn't that call. In that I had enabled the debugging. This customer support and booking. Yeah, maybe this is the appointment booking agent. Appointment booking, any a large call. C 41 second. Yeah, let's take this. So this is the 53-second call. So see. So this is the appointment booking agent it is, and this is the 53-second call has been happened. Okay, and here if you see, there is the GPT 4.1 mini LLM has been set, and DeepGram as a STT, and Cartesia we are using the TTS. Okay, if you'll see, this is the call analysis that had been made by the platform after the just call ended. Okay, so this is the what customer inquired for and what the agent has been said for, and what the user had said and what the agent had said. If you'll see, the agent to user talk ratio is 71%. Okay, and these are the topics and these are the important keywords that we had extract from the conversation, and these are the action items that had been getting made by the agents and the users, and these are the data that we had extracted. And also the QA thing getting happened here, ki what should be happen and what should not happen that time. Okay, and the coaching for the agent, ki what from this conversation what the agent should learn, ki in the future if something in the same scenario will happen, how agent should respond that time. So we can collect the, so see, from the one call we can't get just like the whole information, so some call need to be the happen, then we can consolidate whole the coaching and we can again refine the agent, so we can make the agent more smoother and more answerable of any questions. Okay, and these are the highlights, these are the friction, also the context variable that we are sending, and again the same breakdown. If you'll see here, this is the 53-second call and has been getting cost about around 5 rupees. Okay, and these are the again 1.2 second call every response here getting appeared, so maximum time it's taking the STT, so we can see we'll see why it's taking. So the STT that we are using, deepgram is not taking that level of latency. So okay, no, that's not any problem, so we can change the STT otherwise. So we had a lot of STT option in the dashboard. So this time is taking by the LLM and this is the TTS time. So around, if you sum up the all, so this is the average response time is 1.2 second. That is also not bad. Okay, 1.2 second. So whenever I'll say hi, so within just 1.2 second, I'll getting the response from the agent. Yeah, hi there. Are you calling to book something or change for this? These are the conversation that has been getting made. And whatever the tool getting called in this particular conversation, so all the tools will get appeared here. Okay, so you can see if any isn't conversation where any tool getting called, so all the tool will get appeared here. And these are the user conversation, this is the recording, and again this is the debug timeline. This is the thing that I want to show you. So at every second what happened you can trace from here. This is the multi-flow agent. I'll also, you can click on the agent and you can also see the video of that. Okay, how to build a multi-flow agent. Okay, so in the multi-context agent, there is a multiple node. So when the nodes has been getting transferred to the other nodes, that you can also trace. If you see, the call has been getting binded and the TTS has been getting played at the first time, then I'll user had been said hi, STT had sent me, and then LLM has been getting request at 7.9 second and 8.9 second, that LLM has been giving us a response, and the TTS started playing, hey there, are you calling to these are the TTS play, and then again LLM has been stopped, and then AI router has been getting started again on the user response. Okay, so based on it, AI route will understand the user's intent. Based on the AI route will route as the user conversation key at which node we need to transfer, and we at of which node we need to set the context to the agent. Okay, so these are the things will happen here. So from here you can trace second by second call key, what happening each and every second. Okay, you can also see the response as well. See one, what the character count and at what node this has been happened, who is the provider, everything, just like the LLM response, what the history that we are sending to the AI, what model that we are using, the provider, everything you can every information you can get from here. So the STT parser, so which model that we are using for the STT, the AI route. If you'll see for the AI route what's happening here. So here node has been entered into the check ability, that is a sub agent, and after that the call has been getting ended. There is a external call ended, so user has been intended in the call. Okay, so this is the thing about the debug tracing, and also you can give us the feedback from the here. Just click and give the feedback you what the things that we can do here. And if you want some more helpful data and more insightful data here, from there you can build your agent more better, more preferable. So I'll also add that. You can just suggest us, and you can also export the debug trace, and you can also handle those things after the debugging through the agent builder copilot. You can give the debug data to the agent copilot, and agent copilot will understand that. Based on it, it can refine your agent as well. Okay, so for this, for now, the video should be maybe helpful for the understand about the call details and the call history page. And the feedback is open for now, and also the comment is open for you guys. And for now, I'm saying thank you. So I'll also come back with the other video for the other pages. For now, that's done. Okay, thank you.